I just want to say happy Father's Day to all y'all good fathers out there, man. Actually in y'all kids' life. Actually making a, raising some really good kids. Because, man, fathers are really, really, really important in kids' lives, man. These little kids nowadays are without guidance and without direction. And without a positive role model. So if you are a father, man, you in your child's life, you know who your child's best friends are. You know what your child is doing. You're shaping, you're molding them, you're telling them, right from wrong. And every time you learn something, you teaching them something, man. Happy Father's Day to y'all, man. And in this video, I'm gonna show y'all my father who just turned 80 on Father's Day, and he's not doing too well. He barely can talk and he barely can wake up. But it's a blessing that he made it. He made it to be 80 years old, though, man. Think about it. And it's because of him that I'm into muscle cars. That I'm into nice, fast cars, man. It's because of him I am who I am right now, Mr. Do-It-Yourself, man. I go to the Home Depot and grab tools and learn how to. And I know how to fix, things around the house, man. Him and my mom just taught me a lot of stuff, man. Taught me how to be independent, and it's not a lot of fathers doing that for their children. And so, man, shout out to my father, man, Mr. Albert Glenn, man. And I learned a whole lot of stuff from him. And man, without him, I wouldn't be who I am right now. I wouldn't be. My son wouldn't be who he is right now because I'm teaching him every single thing, just like my father Al taught me, And in this video, as a shout out to you fathers out there, you old school fathers, man, I got some nice old school cars, man, to show y'all, man. On a lighter note, some really nice old school cars from new to old, and I really got in some good detail on that, man. And I'm gonna show that to y'all and play some nice old school music on the back of that, man. I'm not gonna play none of my beats on this, man. We're gonna play some old school music, man, something that y'all can jam out to. Alright? You know what I'm saying? And again, man, hopefully, man, my dad can live forever, but we all know, man, that can't, that's not, we don't live forever, And rest in peace, man, XXXtentacion, man. My son put me on to him. When I first heard his song, man, I was like, who is this guy, man? Who is this guy with this song that's so hot, but it's not even mixed down, and it's on the radio. It's not even mixed. Like it's like he was just playing with everybody, but he said he did that on purpose. So but after listening to it, I'm like, I didn't like it at first, but then I started listening to, my son. He kept pushing. So I listened, and I listened to his whole album, man. Cause I'm a producer. I listen to everything, and I'm trying to stay hip to what's going on, and try to stay hip to what's going on, and because I gotta make beats for if the older guys ain't rapping, then I gotta make the trap beats, But so I was listening to his albums, man. He is so talented, bro. Like, and I love rock and roll too. He loves rock and roll, and man, he's rapping over rock and roll, and then he's singing rock and roll, and not only that, he's a dope rapper, man. Great performer, man. Man, so you don't even know. It was so sad, man. I called my son yesterday. First of all, he didn't answer none of my texts when I told him, what happened. And I didn't know if he got it or if he was crying or whatever, man. But he didn't respond. So I had to call him, and he still didn't call. So I had to call his mama, like, what's up with him, man? And I called him, and he gave me one-word answers. Like he said, I'm okay, I'm all right. And but he sounded sad. And yesterday was a real sad day, man. And, it was a real sad day for hip hop, man, to see somebody that talented, man, be limited, man, to 20 years on this earth, man. But Man, I had to take a drive last night, man. I had to just take a long drive and just listen to his music, man, and just jam out, man, because it's sad, man, because he really influenced, you know, some of my music, man, some of the beats I made. And man, you're not promised tomorrow, man. You're not promised tomorrow, so I wanna tell y'all, man, y'all live y'all life to the fullest, man. Y'all live y'all life to the fullest, and man, you go hard, man. And if you sitting in your house right now, and this is for the people that's grown and not for the kids, you know, even the kids, man, live your life to the fullest, man. Plan. If you've never been out of Chicago, man, plan some. I mean, if you've never been out of your city, man, go out of town, man. Go out of town frequently, man. See more than just your state too, man. Go outside, man. Go see the beautiful cities and states, man, that's around you, man. Drive, fly, whatever, man. Go experience life. Do something you never did before. Buy something you never bought before, man. Instead of buying the same brand that you always get at the grocery store, man, if you notice, man, there's a whole variety of everything, man. Go buy it, try it out, eat it, man. You might everything, man. Just try everything out, man, because guess what, man? You keep on eating the same thing, doing the same thing, man, your life gets boring. You don't want your life to be boring, man. Make life exciting, fun, man, you know. And have fun, man. Have fun, man. Live life, man. That word "live" is very powerful, man. But you know, I'm not gonna make it long and drawn out, man. Happy Father's Day, man. And rest in peace, man. XXXtentacion, man. And happy Father's Day, man. And, say Happy Father's Day. And give him the card too.
Here, it's your card.
You know who gave you that? Nadia gave you that. Huh? You got Catfish Senior.
Oh my God. What up?
And Catfish Junior.
You already know.
We here on Father's Day.
Jake, you know, kicking it with the best dads on earth. Hellcat. That's the cat Jones.
And then you got Junior right here.
That's the Cat Jones.
Beats and Fast Cars Junior. Hellcat Junior. And we out here. We gonna show y'all some of these old schools, man. Y'all see it, you see it. You see Catfish, you see Catfish.
Black
Jr.
Great men, great fathers. I joke and all that, man, but real talk, though, I wouldn't be who I am without my father.
Absolutely.
And you know what I'm saying? Black men do raise kings, man, and these are two of the greatest examples of that. All black men love your kids, be there for your kids, and they'll take care of you later on in life, you know what I mean?
Real talk. Real talk.
I don't have no kids, though, so I'm still immature as hell. Holla at your boy.
You see Big Meats here, man.
Yes, sir.
We out here celebrating Father's Day, man. You know what I'm saying? Check out the old school, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all to check it out. Hey, y'all already know, we got the Beats and Fast Car merch. We got the hats. We got the sweaters. Hey, and if you want to beat, y'all know what to do, man. Go on my Instagram on Hellcat Jones, man, and DM me and let me know which video, what you like and all that, man. Alright? Now what I really...
Wait like a month, though, till I go through there and see what I want.
Because we got to do his video. We got to do his video, too. And he got to...
These Fast Cars music video produced by him. The squad gonna be in there, the cars and all that. It's coming real soon.
Y'all already know. Y'all know what it is, man. When y'all listen, see the difference between my videos and everybody else's video, what I want y'all to do is when you play my video, play it loud. Because you're going to hear that beat drop, you're going to hear the snare, you're going to hear the hats, and you're going to be able to rap to it. You know what I'm saying? That's the difference, man. And I'm going to chop it up. I'm going to make the cars have its own little video. It's like the cars rapping to you. You know what I'm saying? So y'all enjoy it, man. Y'all know what it is. Happy Father's Day to all, man. And to all, happy Father's Day. Yeah. And this your boy, Hellcat Jones, signing out for the day. Wait. Who was that?
Papa.